I'm back. I don't vlog very much. Sorry. It's Jack, if you probably didn't know. It's been a while since I've been on camera and actually done a vlog for you. So I don't know what I'm gonna, this is just kind of a casual video today. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I apologize, my hair is like a mess. I smell disgusting too because I just came from work. Yeah, listen, I just threw on a shirt and I figured why not, you know, talk about life. And I got a package from Jabra. They finally sent my package to me with my repaired headphones in it. So let's give it an open and see what these things actually look like and see if they actually fix them for me. So I'm gonna get my tripod here. Hold on. Now I need something to cut this with. So my advice, people, when they have something that doesn't work from a company like Jabra, be persistent, even though they ignore you and try and say that you're ridiculous for getting a claim, when totally warranted. I got the warranty claim. Send me a brand new freaking box of headphones. Like, a brand new box. Like, brand spanking new. Like, this is a brand new pair of headphones. I'm going on a trip in less than a month and a half, which is staggering, and I thought we would just catch up, you know, and tell you about life, about what's going on in my life, and show you the gist of my life and what's going on. I also did pick up a new suitcase. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you probably know that I got this suitcase, because I will explain everything about it and what's going on with it and like why I have it and whatnot. Very soon, I'll have a video coming soon. Someone's rolling something downstairs. Out of all the times you could do construction, you choose why. For those of you that aren't aware, there's construction going on at my house. So like in filming and vlogging, not ideal. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go into my car and actually tell you what's going on, because that sounds like a better idea. Oh no, I just dropped my Apple Watch. I just left a mark on it. You see that? Oh, that makes me so sad. But at least the screen isn't cracked. Okay, so I'm hoping I'm in the frame. Let me turn the AC down, because you probably can't hear me blasting that in here. So I'm sorry if you can hear the engine running and like all that shit, but like here we are. I got my replacement headphones. Most of you want to know what's going on in my life. Debriefer of what's going on. So I am currently going on a trip in less than a month and a half-ish. So I leave in October. October 18th. Some of you probably already know because I've been bragging about it on Instagram, because that's what I do. I'm posting my life shit on Instagram, and that's what I do best. So I'm leaving for that on October 18th, and I'm gone till the 25th, and I'm so fucking excited to see my family, and I'm so fucking excited to get out of this shithole for a week. And I'm going during reading week, because I'm not going during school, because that would be silly of me, considering I spent so much money to go to school. And you've probably seen it all before, but a brand new pair of headphones. They just left this. By the way, I also just want to mention to the UPS guy that delivered these, I actually requested these to be delivered inside my house. They just left them on the porch. Like, anybody could have just picked this up off of the porch and taken it. So I really don't appreciate the fact that they just left this right on the porch when it's valued at like over $200, and somebody could have just picked it up and gone, oh, I'll take these. Like, thanks. I love it. I'm back to my normal life of having headphones. I'm sorry, this video is probably like, what the fuck is he doing with his life kind of thing. Well, here's the thing, folks. I am in a crisis. Oh god, no. Try not to break the second pair. I didn't break the first pair, actually. They were actually not working properly. So hey guys, it's me, it's Jack. I'm continuing this vlog and adding it to the previous one I made when I unboxed those Jabra headphones, and I did that whole review of what's going on here. So I'm at the airport right now because I just felt like it. Sometimes I just like to come and watch planes take off and land. I find it very like therapeutic, and I'm a huge nerd when it comes to planes and watching them land and take off. I think it's so cool. But yeah, I'm just here at the airport watching them. I'll put a few clips in of watching them take off and land, obviously, and then yeah, you can hear them going. You can hear them taking off in the background here. I'm vlogging on my phone because I don't have my camera with me, and having an iPhone is just so easy. It's easy to just whip out your camera and go, hey, I want to record something, and here I am. Hopefully you can hear what I'm saying. Hopefully it's not super windy and you can actually hear me. But yeah, you can see me in the background. You can see landing light things. I don't know what they're called. I should probably know considering I search everything airplanes like all the time. But anyways, I'm just watching some planes coming in and landing. And yeah, it's super fun. So that's really all that's happening at the moment, if you will. Also, I do want to say another thing. This is a Petro-Canada right across from the airport, and they don't really like it when you park here. So like if you're gonna park here and watch planes, just watch your car so it doesn't get towed, because they really don't like it when you park here. And if you probably could notice, I did get my hair dyed a few tones brighter, so it does look a lot more blonde, if you guys did notice that. And yeah, just a heads up, they don't like it when you park here. They get angry. Well, they don't get angry, but like they give you that look that like, oh, what are you doing here, kind of thing. So I realized I was kind of an idiot and I forgot to film a outro for this video. So I really hope you guys did enjoy this kind of put together video last minute. Thought I would put something together for you guys. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos coming in the future. I have a review of my suitcase coming very soon, as well as some other fun videos. I cannot wait to film when I'm in England. I'll be filming in London and in Bristol as well. So I've got lots of exciting vlogs coming very soon for that trip, because it's less than a month away. Well, a month and about a week and a half away. So it's coming up very soon. So I'm super excited for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, if you enjoy the outro of watching some planes land. And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you stay subscribed to the channel, and I will see you guys then. So take care. Bye guys.